Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create Polaroid editing using Capcut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you how we can create Polaroid frame for our editing. We can go to new project and then I'm going to go to the Capcut library and I'm going to select white background. Okay, I'm just going to add white background to my project. This one guys, click on add. Okay, then I'm going to change the ratio. I'm going to change it to 9:16. Then I'm going to make it full like this. Okay, that's enough. And then I'm going to apply mask to this white background. We can go to the mask option guys right here, and then it's like the rectangle. And then I'm going to customize the mask. Okay, and we're going to add our photo to this project. Go to overlay, add overlay, and choose the photo. Okay, I'm just going to add this photo. Okay, then we can crop the photo. I'm going to resize it. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And after that, I'm going to save this video. Okay, we can click on export. And we're going to create new project. You can select new project and then you can go to the library and then you can choose the black background. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one guys. And I'm going to add the photo with the Polaroid frame. Click on overlay, add overlay, and then wait, I'm going to add the photo. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in like this. And after that, I'm going to apply animation. You can select the combo, then select pendulum. Okay, this is the result guys. And then you can also add more Polaroid photos to your project. You just need to create this kind of Polaroid photo. Then you can add the photo as much as you like to your project. Here I'm just going to add one because this is just for an example. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Polaroid editing using Capcut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.